Are you looking for fast, easy, budget-friendly, delicious meals? Stay tuned. We've got two for you. Alright, so welcome back. I'm Judy, Ron's behind the camera, and we're Full-Time Dream. Our mission is to show you how to save money so that you can live the dream that you want to. So today we're going to make two budget-friendly meals because face it, what do you spend the most money on? Eating out. If you can make delicious meals at home that are quick and easy, you're more apt to do that. So we're going to show you two great recipes. Okay, so today we're going to do a breakfast casserole. We're going to do that in our Ninja oven. You can do this in any oven. You could bake it. You could probably even do it in a microwave, but I'm not crazy about microwaved eggs. So what we're going to do is we're going to take we have 12 eggs. We're going to scramble them up. We've got a 1/4 cup of heavy cream that we're going to mix into them. We've got our seasonings, and then we've got our add-ins for how we'd like to flavor our casserole. The nice thing about this casserole is it's easy to make, so you can feed a lot of people at one time. And then you can also take these, if you're at home, you can take them and you can cut them up and you can put them in the freezer and freeze them for a quick, easy breakfast. Just pull it out, pop it in the microwave, heat it up, and you're all good to go for breakfast. So let's get started. Alright, so we got our dozen eggs and our heavy cream whipped up. We're going to add some seasonings. We've got salt, we've got pepper, and then I've got this Mrs. Dash's roasted seasoning that I'm going to throw in, give it a little bit more of a kick. Okay, so we're going to put it in the base from the Ninja that comes with the Ninja oven. We greased this. I used bacon drippings since I made the bacon this morning, and I greased the pan. You can use olive oil, whatever kind of oil you'd like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my base and I'm going to put my mix-ins into my base and mix it up and then dump it in my pan, rather than you could put your eggs in the pan and then put the stuff on top of it. Either way is fine. So we've got our dozen eggs, our heavy cream, and our seasonings all mixed up. We're going to put in some bacon. This is already cooked. Like I said, I knew your meats have to be already cooked. We've got some red peppers. That's about a half of onion. I finally diced my onions and my red peppers so that they would cook up when I put them in here. You don't want them too large or they won't cook up. Okay, mix them all together. Put it in my greased pan. How beautiful that looks. And then we're going to put it in for 15 minutes at 325. So our timer went off. We're going to pull it out. Doesn't that look delicious? You want to make sure your eggs are all set and they're not wiggly and wobbly. You might have to adjust your times if you're using a different size pan. So there you go, 15 minutes and you have a delicious breakfast. This is actually keto friendly. You can add whatever mix-ins that appeal to you and however you want it. You can take this egg too and make a sandwich and make a nice breakfast sandwich too. And like I said, these freeze well. So it's quick, easy, budget friendly. Alright, so now we had a wonderful breakfast and now we're at round 2, dinner. So tonight we're going to make breaded pork chops. Though we are keto, so we don't use normal breading. So what I did was I make my breading out of pork rinds. I put pork rinds in my Ninja food processor and grind them all up and then make a breading for it. In the breading, I put a little bit of salt and pepper, and then I'm also putting Parmesan Romano cheese in here. And then I already I have boneless pork chops tonight, and I already patted them dry. And then we're going to use Dijon mustard because we can't afford the fancy Grey Poupon stuff. So this is generic Dijon mustard. And all we're going to do is we're going to coat our pork chop. If you ever watch the cooking shows, you got your wet hand and your dry hand. Don't mix the two because it doesn't turn out very good. And just dip them in your mixture. I just shake it off a little bit. And we're going to do them in our air fryer. So we're going to get them all coated up, and we'll show you what to do after that. Alright, so we got all our pork chops breaded up. We have to preheat our oven to 350, and then we're going to put them in for about 14 minutes. We're an internal temperature of 145. Look delicious, don't they? Alright, so there we have it. Quick and easy pork chops. We make these and they are keto. You don't have to use the pork rinds. You could use regular breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese and the mustard, and put them in a regular oven too, and they'll turn out great. Alright, so thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this. Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share this out to your friends, and until next time, bye.